Muskan Little Smile Project Mityeng Makhada, Department of Paediatric and Preventive Dentistry, Dental College Regional Institute of Medical Science RIMS IMPHAL, District Administration THOUBAL AMADI, District Child Protection Unit THOUBAL ga PUNNA KHUTSAMNADUNA, THOUBAL District LEIRIBA Child Care Institution SINGDI ANGANG SINGGI OINA Health Camp AMA NGASI DC THOUBAL gi Complex da LEIBA Election Counting Hall da PANGTHOKKHRE, Health Camp aduda RIMS ki Dermatology, Otolaryngology amadi Paediatric Specialist Dr. Kayana Angang Chanirom Analayang Kibaga Loinana Mathau Taba Hidak Langthak Singsu Lemna Piki. Health Camp aduga Mari Lenina Pangthokpa Thoramadu Hauduk Laduna DC THOUBAL Robita Yumnam IAS na Child Marriage POCSO Child Level ki Pausal Piba Poster Maso Launch Chowki. Thoramadu the District Child Protection Officer THOUBAL Robindro Salamsu Saruyaki.
District Health Camp for Children of Child Care Institute ama THOUBAL District na sinja THOUBAL District Administration na sinja raga District Child Protection Unit THOUBAL ne Department of Social Welfare ne aduga Nanhi Muskan and Little Smile and a project ama Indian Society of Periodontics and Preventive Dentistry na Department of Pediatrics and Preventive Dentistry Dental College Regional Institute of Medical Science ka pulaga ngasi koi health camp ama koi counting holder THOUBAL district sinjai the children home mayam across the district like singjai laaga moigi checkup mayam yadam oiro atopa health care oiro mayam do ngasi kano tongna baina koi camp ama sinja bani akoi different department akoi kano dagi RIMS dagi lai sigi dai sa participate tongna ba Department of Dermatology dagi Otolaryngology, the Department of Pediatrics, Mayam Malaga, holistic healthcare among a city degree Tongna by children home the labor, Mayam City, full checkup among Tongna Vine. At a good number of children, Mayam Lai says that we participate Tongna Buki, and see the Amsina successful in a Tongni.